同志
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们加入客家风情，一起发现客家之美。
當年3月30日係西洋人嘅萬聖節，小朋友呢一年就會變鬼變怪來討糖嘅搞變裝遊行。佢發現最近鬼神要中原普渡，客家人要義民祭典，佢也掉嘅差別點嚟唔點喎。
In Western traditions, it's believed that ghosts and spirits come into the world of the living on Halloween. In Taiwan, the Ghost Festival, also known as Zhongyuan Festival, reflects a similar belief that spirits from the netherworld visit the human world. In Hakka culture, there's a special event called the Yiming Festival. On this day, people honor their ancestors who sacrificed their lives to protect their homeland. In addition to ceremonies to pay respect, they also have rituals like floating water lanterns.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個都用。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。準備好萬聖節了嗎？
我知道。
這個開頭有一點恐怖啊。不過，你是不是剛剛講到的，就是萬聖節，還有客家人對這個鬼的這個態度可能也不太一樣。我們萬聖節西洋文化就是不給糖就搗蛋哈，就是非常的歡樂。然後雖然呢很愛這種變鬼變怪，可是呢就是想要跟他們融合在一起的感覺啊。可是，在華人的文化，你鬼月的時候你扮成鬼這件事情，應該是一個大忌吧？
那不行啊，連講鬼都會被罵了，
都不行，對不對？那客家人有沒有什麼特別的禁忌啦，或者是慶典呢？
客家人也是華人之一嘛，所以我們當然對鬼神是很尊敬又很怕他。但是客家其實在這方面呢，有稍微調整一下，就是我們有一個義民祭典，它是在農曆的7月20號。
這是我們平常就會提到的義民爺啊，
對啊，
義民的祭典，又是剛好在鬼月這個時候來舉辦。
對啊，對啊，其實現在在台北每年我們都會辦那個義民嘉年華，其實它也就是希望說用這個轉化成嘉年華這樣慶祝的方式、慶典的方式來讓這個節日啊不會那麼的可怕。
對，有在轉型就對了。
對，
還是尊重它，但是比較輕鬆去面對。
沒錯。
All right, well, let's teach you some of the phrases right here, including how do you say Halloween, 萬聖節。And then how about the Ghost Festival in Taiwan called 中元節。Also known as 七月半，對不對？它也叫七月半，就像中秋節叫百夜班，那它七月半。
慶夜班。
That's another way of saying it, which literally means the 15th day of the 7th lunar month. All right, some phrases you can learn. Thank you for listening to Talk About Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.